Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome. I'm here at Disney World, and I'm going to be talking about some insane things that have happened recently in the world of AI. We're going to have a little adventure. I'm at this cool pub here, and I did crack the code so we're going to walk out of here real quick and walk around into Star Wars land, and I'm going to explain to you what's going on as we go through here. So thank you.
You're welcome.
Have a good day.
Thank you.
So we're walking around. Here we go. I'm at Disney World. I moved to Florida because I can. It's time to do that. If you have a dream, you gotta follow it. And the biggest thing is don't stay where it sucks, okay? Here, look at this weather. And right now, my AI is working for me. Now, I did crack the code on AI vibe coding. I'm gonna tell you that right now. 100% I cracked the code. And you all need to either do exactly what I'm about to tell you in this video, or you can just pay me and I'll do it for you a lot faster, because I have spent way too many hours figuring all this out, okay? So, I wonder if this is live or public. Okay, it's public, great. So, what we're gonna be doing, I'm walking through Disney World at Star Wars, and the first thing I want to tell you is SSH into a terminal, okay? That is the most important thing you want to understand, first of all, because when you're using AI, the more modern we get, you're gonna be able to access an actual computer. And then you're gonna have the AI actually use that computer. And there's a lot of different ways to do that. And the number one way right now that has built, if you go to Mikey.ai, it's built all of this stuff that I've created. I've built AI agents that create meta ads. I've built AI agents that do voice. I've built AI agents that do lead generation, all from this vibe coding that I've cracked, which is you go to Manus.im, which is a super agentic builder. Now, Manus is the only one that I found that will actually, here, look, there's Goofy's over here. Manus will actually box terminal, okay? And this is why it's important. See, look, there's Goofy. Goof Troop, right? Manus will go into a sandbox terminal and actually run an SSH sequence. Now, what that means is Manus, okay, is going to go into your server and actually start vibe coding for you. If you go to Mikey.ai, you'll go and you'll see I built 2 AI agents that I've listed on there that are all 100% built with and by Manus. I just sat there and told Manus what to do and vibe coded it, but I didn't code. Now, I understand how to code and I can code, which definitely helped me, but this method has been the most prosperous method I've ever done, because like last night, I had an agent that does meta ads, and it has now 100 ads that have been running inside of Meta, which is absolutely incredible. So overnight, it's doing rapid ad testing, which is the most important thing that you want done for meta ads, is you want rapid ad testing happening. If anyone out there has any experience with running ads on Facebook or Instagram or running meta ads, you'll understand rapid ad creative testing is the only thing that actually matters. It's the only thing that you can possibly do to make it win. The more creative you can test, the more you can possibly, the more you can possibly win. Look at this Star Wars land here, so cool. Right? Star Wars, okay? So having an AI agent that actually does all that for you is super incredible. Go to Manus.im, okay? You tell it to SSH into a VPS, which is a virtual private server. So you get a virtual private server on Hostinger, very cheap. You tell Manus to SSH into that, and it will build whatever AI agent that you need. So it will build your Google Ads AI agent. It'll build your Facebook Ads AI agent. It'll build your cold email. Right now, I'm cold emailing 4,000 people a day that are targeted sales directors with my AI agent. I'm at Disney World and my AI agents are working constantly in the background doing all of the things that every business needs to be doing. And what I'm saying is I cracked the code because vibe coding is dead. You need to be using a super agentic vibe coder. And I'm telling you exactly how to do it if you pay attention, so you don't have to hire anybody. Use manus.im. Manus is one. And then the key things that you want to do is you want to SSH into a VPS. And then it will go and create whatever ideas, whatever your imagination is. Now, the biggest issue I found, let me just show you where I'm standing because I'm in Star Wars land, and so issue I found is that all of the AIs will not allow you to SSH in their sandbox. So when we're using an AI LLM, right? Look at these people standing in line over there. It's probably pretty long. When we're using an AI, okay, it's going to not give you this full access because the head people that are running to have full access over the internet with your AI, if you're using like ChatGPT, for example, it's 105 crazy. Look at that, 105 minutes. Yeah, wow. Okay, so you can't use AI with full access to the internet. So SSH basically is a way for you to connect into your own virtual private server. Now, when you can get AI to build anything for you on your own virtual private server, you immediately own it. So if you go to my website, Mikey.ai, you will see all the things that I have built by doing this exact method, and you don't need to code. This is the only true 100% vibe coding, AI coding that exists. If anyone's like, oh, it's no code, that's 100% crap, because if you do anything with N8N, you know you need to know some code. Everything requires code if you're actually using some sort of thing like that. Using manus.im, which I'm telling you right now, go get a manus.im account, and then actually 6.7 is exactly right, okay? 6.7 is the only thing that's right in this world, okay? Use manus.im. Then you tell it to VPS into your, or SSH into your private server. Then you can create any app you think of. You can create any idea. You can create a game. You could create so many different things. It's absolutely insane. I created a Meta Ads AI agent that goes and does the job of a $50,000 a year salary media buyer, or more even. So you can easily go in there and get all of this to happen for you by using Manus or something like that. Or go to my website and you'll see Mikey.ai, all the things that I've actually built and understand very quickly. Now, this is the point. Using AI agents so you can walk around Disney World and drink beers, okay? Beers and talk about AI should be exactly a goal of your life, because I don't know, Disney World's pretty fun. I don't want to wait for 2 hours for Star Wars, though. That's absolutely, positively insane. What you do want to do is build AI apps, and you don't want to use stupid things like N8N and stuff like that. So go to Manus, go to my website, and you'll be able to see very quickly. Right now, the thing with, let's just say, building an AI agency, you need lead generation. So I built 2 AI agents that do that better than any human. Why do I know that? Because I've been doing that for the last 20 years as a human, doing lead generation through paid advertising, through cold emailing, through all the methods that you should be doing. And now I'm actually having AI do it all. That is the main thing that matters with anything having to do with AI agencies, anything having to do with making money with AI. And the AI bubble is actually businesses that need services and they need to stop paying employees, but they still need super high level services. So for example, in the last 18 hours, about 100 different ad creatives being tested automatically in the background based off of my exact offer, based off of my exact landing page, based off of my exact everything. It's constantly creating ads and constantly, continually putting them out there. It has very extreme limitations on them. And that's the key to actual all growth in any business is constant iteration of testing and having AI agents that actually do that. That's what people need to pay money for. That's how you make money with AI. You want to make videos with AI? Sure, that's easy. But making money with AI and helping businesses is the real game. All right, let's see where we're at here. Look at this. Whoa, still the rear. So who's out there right now? I got this guy saying 6-7, so that's cool. But I'm still at Disney World. I'm right here in Star Wars land. Isn't that cool? While AI is running ads for me, AI is finding leads for me, and then emailing those leads to try and book an appointment of business owners, things like that. That's the whole point of having AI agents do everything for you. So you can go to Disney World and do cool stuff. So that's pretty much all I got in this video right now, but I'm very behind the scenes and I've been doing a ton. I'm gonna be going pretty hardcore on the front end because if you go to Mikey.ai, you'll see the AI agents that I'm building out. I'm adding them to my website as I build them out. These are ones that businesses are buying, and I'm adding them as the ability for anyone out there that wants to learn how to make money with AI. You can use these AI agents to sell to businesses or use them for your business to get clients. Either way, go to Mikey.ai, check it out, and I'll see you guys in the next video before the robots take over. Bida babo bee ba 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 ba. All right, see you soon.